Why does your scanner show the P0817 engine code? What does it mean? P0817 is a diagnostic trouble code for the Starter Disable Circuit. The P0817 code indicates a fault in the Starter Disable Circuit, also known as the ignition interlock or neutral safety switch circuit. It means the vehicle's computer detected an abnormal voltage or an open circuit, preventing the starter from engaging or recognizing the transmission gear. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed starter disable relay, blown fuses, damaged wiring, bad park or neutral position switch, battery issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Subaru, Ford, Nissan, Chevrolet, and Mazda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.